How to fix SLL Decrypt not working on Game.sii in ETS 2. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, our technical team is addressing a highly frustrating issue for Euro Truck Simulator 2 modders and coders. During our custom save file modifications, we noticed that the SLL Decrypt tool frequently fails to convert the Game.sii file into readable text. Instead of showing editable parameters, the file remains locked in a scrambled binary format. Our team conducted extensive diagnostics on the ETS2 save engine to understand why this encryption lock persists. We tested every variable, from configuration lines to cloud synchronization protocols, to develop a definitive troubleshooting protocol. By following Teknobalta's comprehensive guide, you will completely resolve this decryption error and regain full access to your save game coding. Step 1. Modify the core configuration file. Our investigation revealed that the primary cause of decryption failure is an incorrect default save format. To fix this, navigate to your internal documents folder, locate the Euro Truck Simulator 2 directory, and open the config.cfg file using Notepad or a similar editor. You must locate the parameter named gsaveformat and change its assigned value from the default 0 to 2. Step 2. Enable developer options. While configuring the save format, our team confirmed that enabling developer parameters ensures maximum compatibility for save file editing. In the same config.cfg file, locate the gdeveloper variable and change its value to 1. Immediately after, find the gconsole parameter and also set it to 1 before saving and closing the configuration file. Step 3. Perform an in-game manual save. Teknobalta's testing showed that simply changing the configuration file is not enough to convert existing saves. You must launch Euro Truck Simulator 2, load into your profile, and immediately perform a manual save or quick save. This action forces the game engine to rewrite the Game.sii file using the newly assigned plaintext format. Step 4. Isolate save file corruption. If the decryption tool still fails to open the file, our diagnostics point toward internal structural corruption within your active save. To test this, load your game and revert to an older, previously stable autosave from the load menu. Often, a corrupted quick save will permanently reject decryption attempts, making a rollback absolutely necessary. Step 5. Purge existing corrupted quick saves. Our analysis indicates that corrupted quick save data can create looping errors when you attempt to create new saves. Navigate to your specific profile directory and manually delete the quick save folder. Force the game to generate a completely fresh quick save environment to eliminate corrupted residual files. Step 6. Generate a clean baseline profile. If the current profile remains unreadable, our team highly recommends creating a brand new in-game profile for diagnostic purposes. Play through the initial tutorial delivery, perform a manual save, and then attempt to decrypt the Game.sii file of this new profile. If the new profile decrypts successfully, your original profile's save index is structurally compromised. Step 7. Disable Steam Cloud synchronization. During our deep dive testing, we discovered that Steam Cloud enforces strict file encryption that actively overrides the local configuration commands. You must right-click Euro Truck Simulator 2 in your Steam library, access the Properties menu, and completely disable Steam Cloud saves. Afterward, load your game and force a local save to break the cloud encryption lock. Step 8. Verify local game integrity. Occasionally, the underlying game engine lacks the proper compilation files required to process external file formatting. Open your Steam client, navigate to the Local Files section within the Game Properties, and execute the Verify Integrity of Game Files command. This ensures that the base architecture is perfectly aligned with the save protocols. Step 9. Update the Decrypt executable. Teknobalta has found that many users are operating with severely outdated versions of the Decrypt executable that do not support recent engine updates. You must acquire the absolute latest build of the decryption application. Older iterations lack the updated binary dictionary required to parse modern save states. Step 10. Enforce proper file extraction. A common operational mistake we observed is executing the decrypt tool directly from within a compressed archive. You must fully extract both the executable and its supporting files into a dedicated folder on your desktop. Running the process within a zipped environment restricts file writing permissions, causing the decryption to silently fail. Step 11. Remove read-only file attributes. Our file system analysis revealed that some save files are flagged by the operating system with restricted permissions. Right-click your target Game.sii file, select Properties, and ensure the read-only checkbox is completely unchecked. The decrypt utility requires full write access to overwrite the binary data with plaintext strings. Step 12. Execute the drag and drop protocol correctly. The mechanical process of initiating the decryption is critical, and our team has standardized the correct methodology. You must click and hold the Game.sii file, drag it directly over the decrypt executable icon, and release it. Double-clicking the decryptor without an active file payload will result in an immediate application crash. Step 13. Apply administrator execution rights. System-level security protocols frequently block background command line tools from modifying documents. To bypass this restriction, you must configure the decrypt executable to operate with maximum system privileges. Right-click the tool, enter the Compatibility tab, and permanently check the box to run this program as an administrator. Step 14. Whitelist the tool in Windows Defender. During our testing, Windows Defender repeatedly flagged the rapid file modification behavior of the decryptor as a false positive threat. You must access your Windows security settings and manually add the decrypt executable to your active exclusion list. This prevents real-time protection from quarantining the file mid-decryption. Step 15. Install legacy visual frameworks. Many decrypt applications rely on legacy Microsoft libraries that do not ship natively with modern Windows installations. Our diagnostics confirm that installing both the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributable packages completely resolves underlying runtime failures. Ensure you reboot your system after applying these libraries. Step 16. Terminate background game processes. Our technical team noticed that attempting to decrypt the file while Euro Truck Simulator 2 is minimized causes a severe memory lock error. The game engine actively holds ownership of the save directory, preventing external applications from injecting data. You must completely close the game and verify the process is terminated in the task manager before decryption. Step 17. Utilize command prompt diagnostics. If the tool opens and closes instantly without producing readable text, you must force the application into an interactive mode. Open the command prompt, drag the decrypt executable into the window, add a space, and then drag the Game.sii file into the window before pressing enter. This manual execution will display the exact error syntax, preventing the decryption. Step 18. Migrate to alternative graphical tools. If raw script decryption completely fails due to local environment variables, our team recommends pivoting to graphical interfaces. The Truck Simulator Save Editor tool provides a powerful alternative that automatically handles the decryption background processing. This completely circumvents the need for manual command line file dropping. Step 19. Check Java runtime environment dependencies. Certain forks of the decryptor utility are compiled utilizing Java architecture instead of standard C++ frameworks. Teknobalta recommends verifying your system has the latest Java runtime environment installed and correctly pathed in your system variables. A missing Java framework will render these specific script variants completely inert. Step 20. Validate the output with professional editors. Once the decryption process finally executes correctly, you must utilize a professional text editor to read the output. Our testing proves that standard Windows Notepad often misaligns the complex string structures of ETS2 save files. Always right-click the decrypted Game.sci and open it with software like Notepad++ to ensure safe and accurate coding modifications. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.